Welcome. If you want to download pictures from Instagram on your LG K52, at first you have to be logged into your Instagram account, and after that let's pick the photo that we want to download. I will go for this one. After that we have to move to the Play Store, click on the search pool and type repost for Instagram. We are going to get this application from Kimsey929. Let's open. Right now we get two ways how to download the pictures, 3 dots in the right corner and share button. Let's open Instagram. I'm going for these 3 dots, click share to and select repost for Instagram application. After that open application, pick the photo, take off the signature and click right here on the middle button to save to the gallery. And right now when we enter for the gallery, we can find here the photo that we download from Instagram. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.